Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you very interesting question, and that question was set many times in JEE and in also GATE exams. Okay, so perhaps to somebody it is known, but I would extend that form. Clear? So perhaps you will be thinking that on which topic I am going to tell you. Do you know Euler's formula? In complex number, and I is equal to square root of minus 1 Cn. Very simple, but many people cannot do it, and after seeing, you will see that oh, how simple it is. Okay, see here, and we know I is equal to iota, it is square root of minus 1. Clear? And I square is equal to minus 1 and I cube is equal to minus I, because I cube is I square into I and I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into I is minus I. Clear? And now see here, Euler's formula the pronunciation is Euler. Don't read Euler. It is Euler. Clear? Euler's formula. E to the power I theta, it is cos theta plus I sin theta. E to the power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. It is Euler's formula. And very important formula, and its application is very important. That means in place of cos theta plus I sin theta, you can write e to the power I theta. Now, what is e to the power I pi by 2? In place of theta, I am writing pi by 2. Clear? It is cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. And cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So, it is I. Clear? Is that clear to you or not? That means the value of I is equal to e to the power I pi by 2. Okay, see here. Very interesting thing I am going to tell you. What is I to the power I? In place of I can write e to the power I pi by 2. So e to the power I pi by 2 to the power I. Clear? So already it is known to you a to the m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So it will become e to the power I pi by 2 into I. So I into I, it is I square, and I square is minus 1. So it is e to the power minus pi by 2. Clear? Again see here. I to the power I to the power I. How to do this one? Here, I to the power I, already I have proved it. E to the power minus pi by 2 to the power I is equal to e to the power minus I pi by 2. Clear? And this also it is known to you, because e to the power I pi by 2, I can write 1 by e to the power I pi by 2. Clear? And e to the I pi by 2, it is I. e to the I by weight, it is I. So this one is 1 by I. Clear? So multiply I in the numerator and denominator. It will become minus I. How? Because multiplying I, it will become I by I square, and I square is minus 1, it will become minus I. So in this way you can find out the power and so on. I to the I to the I to the I to the, and so on, you can solve it. Clear? Very interesting it is. Yes or no? So always think for 5 minutes. So that means what is the extended formula of anything? I to the I. The question was, what is the value of I to the I in JEE and in GATE exams? Clear? So now you can find out I to the I to the I to the I to the any power. Very simple. All of you, it is known to you that all of you know that the Euler formula, e to the I thrice cos theta plus I thrice, it is known to everyone. Even in plus 2 students also, it is known to them. So always try to do what is the application of this one. Clear? See here. Another formula on this complex number, I will tell you, this is a particular case how to find out the powers of I. That means I to the right to the right to the right to the so on. And in complex analysis or in complex number, I will tell you how to find out any complex number to the power any complex number. That means 1 plus I to the power 2 plus I, 1 plus I to the power I, 2 plus I to the power 1 plus I, 2 plus I to the power 2 plus I, and so on. Very simple, I will tell you. Now, my advice is that always think slightly more. Clear? And everything is not in the book. Don't think that the book is enough for you. It is not enough for you. Clear? And the contents in the book is this much, very small, like the tip of the needle. Clear? So there is a vast syllabus, vast course, vast knowledge in the world, and if you want, then you can gain more and more. Okay, so thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed this one, and in the next video I will tell you another interesting thing. Clear? So thank you, bye bye.